Hold up the jacket. Perfect. Like, they both work.
Yeah, they
We need to put like 4 together and do it.
Yeah, what would happen if you just twist the wicks together?
Oh, we gotta do 4.
He's gonna get behind the chair.
Oh my god. That was awesome.
All gone.
That was totally worth
it. Ava, don't let it freak you out too much. She could have cared less about the fireworks. That's a good girl. Oh.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
What you want to do? What you want to do?
You want to walk? And here he comes. He knew the word too. Yeah, what a walk. What a walk. Yeah. Oh, yes, my doggy dog. My doggy dogs. Yes, yes, yes. You want to walk around the block with Mike?